Siemens NX exercise number 1. In this video, we are going to model this mechanical block, and this is part of the Siemens NX exercise playlist where we model complex mechanical parts using Siemens NX. So make sure you are subscribed if you want more tutorials like this, and check out the playlists for more Siemens NX exercises. Now let's begin. This is our Siemens NX 3D modeling workspace where we are going to make the model. And a few dimensions here. As we can see, this is the top view, the front view, and the right side view. These are going to guide us to model the block. The first thing we are going to do is the bottom cylinder here. We're going to use dimensions on the side view. The outer diameter is 60 millimeters, and the height of the cylinder is 60 millimeters also. So that's what we are going to do. So with the extrude feature, because we are adding material, sketch section to sketch the profile of the circle, you're going to use the YZ plane, which is also the side view or the side plane. Okay. Draw a circle of diameter 60. Finish. And we want to make the cylinder symmetric about the YZ plane. So for the start limit, we use the symmetric value of 30. So 30 coming backwards and 30 coming forward. So that will be 60 millimeters. Apply. Next, we add the middle rectangular block. So looking at the side view, has a length of 20 millimeters, a height of 105. So again, with the extrude feature, sketch section, we are sketching on the YZ plane. Okay. So with the rectangle tool, starting from this origin, draw a rectangle just like this. The length is 20, so the distance between these two vertical lines should be 20. And then this height here is 105. Sketch is fully constrained, so finish. Again, we are making it symmetric, hence we use the symmetric value of 30. Set the boolean to unite. Okay. Next, we are going to add this cylindrical feature. So again, with the extrude feature, sketch section, this time around, we are going to make the sketch on this plane. Okay. And we draw a circle of diameter 60. And the center should be on this point. Finish. We want to make the cylinder come in this direction, so reverse the direction. And then the thickness is 30 millimeters. Set the boolean to unite. Apply. Next, you're going to remove material. So still with the extrude feature sketch section, click on this face. Okay. And this circle has a radius of 22, so a diameter of 44 millimeters. Finish. You want to cut inside here, so reverse the direction. Set the end limit to until next, and the boolean to subtract because you are removing material. Apply. Then we do the same to this face here. This time the radius is 15, hence a diameter of 30 millimeters. Finish. Reverse the direction, set the end limit to until next, and the boolean subtracts. Okay. Next, you're going to add this rib. And the rib is situated in the middle of the block. So locate the rib feature. If you can't find it, search in the find command bar here and click on it. Sketch section to sketch the diagonal of the rib. We are going to sketch it on the YZ plane. Okay. Looking at the side view, the diagonal is tangent to the circle and touches this face. So with the line tool, draw a tangent line. Make sure this tangent relation is showing and connect it to this point. Now, since the face here is a circular face, you make sure that the line goes to the top a bit so that the rib can form perfectly. Finish. So the rib has a thickness of 12 millimeters. Okay. Next, we add the last feature from the top here. So with the extrude feature, sketch section, I'm going to sketch on this XY plane. Okay. So we draw the profile of the feature with the profile tool, a straight line, draw a vertical line, and then we draw an arc and connect it to this point here and join. Okay. Make sure this is a horizontal line and this height is 25, the radius is 30. Then we add a circle of diameter 30. Finish. Now looking at the side view, we have to get an offset distance of 60 because we made a sketch in this midpoint here, but the extrusion starts at a distance of 60 and ends at a distance of 60 plus 15, which will be 75. We add an offset of 60 and a distance of 75. Set the boolean to unite. Okay. And hide this coordinate datum plane. And then we change the background, come to view, true shading, change the background to white background, and disable the floor grid lines, the reflection and the shadows, and change the material type to glossy plastic wash. And here, that's how to sketch this part. That's the end of the Siemens NX exercise number 1. So make sure you check out the other videos if you want more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next exercise. Stay safe and thanks for watching.